Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 9 Redbubble changes that you need to know about if you are selling print-on-demand using Redbubble. I'm also going to talk about how you can focus on creating high-value content. So Redbubble is one of my favorite print-on-demand platforms, and it is also a popular online marketplace for artists and creators, and it's been making significant changes in order to improve the quality of the content on the platform. Now, what I'm going to do in today's video is I will provide insights into Redbubble's 9 initiatives as well as updates that are made to enhance the marketplace's overall quality and how that could positively affect you as a seller on Redbubble. First of all is quality over quantity. Redbubble now aims to prioritize quality over quantity. Previously, it was different. It was more to do with consistency. The more you are consistent in uploading a lot of designs, the better it is the chances that your designs will sell. Now, it is now changed its strategy to prioritizing quality over quantity. Now, in order to achieve this, they may remove designs that are deemed low quality or repetitive. As a creator, what you should do is you should always aim to create unique, high quality designs that stand out in the crowded marketplace. Avoid repetitive designs. Avoid designs that are basically the same exact design but a different background color. These ones will be removed, and Redbubble is cracking down on repetitive and low quality designs. The second update is making content discoverable. Now, one of Redbubble's key goals is to make content easily discoverable for customers. They aim to achieve this by reducing the number of results for simple keywords and also improving search results relevance. Now, this emphasizes the importance of focusing on creating designs that genuinely add value, designs that are not lost in the sea of similar creations. Now, the third initiative is deleting non-additive content. Now, Redbubble intends to delete non-additive content and accounts that do not contribute positively to the platform. And this includes removing designs that are considered low quality, removing designs that infringe on intellectual property rights as well. Now, you as a creator and as a designer on Redbubble, it's really important for you and me to review our content to ensure that it aligns with Redbubble's content guidelines in order to avoid any potential issues. This is really, really important. Now, one of the other updates is, Redbubble is now focusing on attracting new customers. While attracting new customers may be outside of our control as designers on Redbubble, utilizing social media and marketing strategies can really help to increase visibility and increase sales. Consider exploring marketing techniques like Instagram, Twitter. Also, Pinterest is amazing. I've dived into my Pinterest strategy to promote Redbubble designs as well. So you can use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook marketing to promote your Redbubble store and to reach a broader audience. Another thing that I want you to know about is how Redbubble is now aiming to enhance the customer experience, and they've been struggling with that quite a lot recently, and now they've made new updates to the platform. So customer satisfaction plays a big role in Redbubble's new initiatives. Ensuring high print quality and providing excellent customer service can really lead to repeat purchases and positive reviews, which then again helps us as designers and increases the number of sales being made. So what can we do here? We need to focus on delivering a memorable post-purchase experience to build a loyal customer base. Now, Redbubble offers a function that's available in the dashboard where you can automate a personalized message to the buyer after they have purchased your work. Use this wisely and also create a lovely image that really thanks the customer for purchasing your work, as well as maybe how to connect with you that way as well, and keep updated and follow you in order to ensure that they keep updated on all your new designs as well. Another thing I want you to know about is margin improvement. Redbubble has recently introduced a set of account fees and tier pricing structures in order to improve profit margins. Now, I've made a video about it maybe 2-3 months ago, about Redbubble's new tier system that will be linked in the description box below if you'd like to dive into the exact details of their new tier system if you're not yet familiar with that. Now, creators and designers, what should we do? We should always be aware of these changes. We should always adapt our strategies accordingly if we want to continue using Redbubble as a print-on-demand platform. The thing you should be aware of is the quality of content improvement. Redbubble acknowledges that the quality of content on its platform needs improvement. In order to achieve this, what they've done is they've started implementing measures such as increasing friction during signups to prevent uploading non-editive content. So this means that creators should be prepared for a more rigorous account creation process. Another thing is amplifying high value content. Now, high value content will receive more visibility on and off the Redbubble platform. You as a creator should contribute by creating designs that generate sales and create a positive customer experience, which means aiming for a more good quality design. And the more successful your design is, the more likely they will be amplified in the search results and marketing efforts as well. Redbubble will start concentrating on the designs that are selling more, that are getting more likes, more attraction, and they will literally target these through their marketing efforts. Now, there is something about account tiers that has been introduced recently. Redbubble has introduced account tiers to reward positive behaviors, as they have put it, among the designers. Now, these tiers can affect your account's visibility and fees. To move up the tiers, you need to focus on creating high quality original content and deliver a greater customer experience. Redbubble's efforts to improve content quality and enhance the customer experience is essential for the long-term success of both the platform and us as designers and creators. So which one of these updates that I have included in this video is your favorite? Let me know, and let me know your experience on Redbubble. Are you continuing to sell on the platform, or are you moving to other platforms to sell?